Hey everyone! Today we are taking a look at where Ollama stores its downloaded AI models on Windows and how to move that storage location to a secondary drive if your main C drive is filling up. Let's walk through it step by step. First, let me show you where Ollama keeps its files by default. Whenever you download a model using Ollama, the manifests and binary blob layers are saved inside your user profile directory on your main drive, under C drive, users, your username, .ollama, models. You can quickly open this location at any time by pressing the Windows key +R, typing Explorer %OllamaModels, and pressing Enter. Because local AI models can easily range from a few gigabytes to tens or hundreds of gigabytes, storing multiple models can quickly consume your main drive. To fix this, we can easily change Ollama's model path using a Windows environment variable. First, create the new folder on the drive where you want to store your models, for example. Create a folder named OllamaModels on your D drive. Next, open the Windows Environment Variable Setup menu. In the System Properties box that opens, click on the Advanced tab at the top, and then click the Environment Variables button near the bottom. Under the User Variables section, click the New button. For the variable name, enter OllamaModels in all capital letters. For the variable value, enter the complete file path to your new target folder, such ASD:\OllamaModels. Click OK to confirm the variable, and click OK again to close System Properties. Finally, we need to restart Ollama so it picks up the new storage location. Go down to your Windows taskbar near the clock, right-click the small Ollama icon in your system tray, and click Quit. Now, launch Ollama again from your Start menu or open a command prompt window. From now on, any models you download using the Ollama run command will be saved directly to your secondary drive, keeping your C drive clean and spacious. And that is all it takes to manage where Ollama stores models on Windows.